What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Quincyvlogs. So I still have Wingstop from last night. I didn't finish, and I was like, I need to post a video today. So yeah, how's things going with my subscribers? Like, let me know in the comments. I got ranch right here. I'm finna show you. Let me know in the comments how things going. You know, with y'all in y'all lifetime. Things right now, it could be a little better, but I'm still grateful. You feel me? I'm grateful for everything, but I want to get my own like apartment. You feel me? I want to be able to do that, and just like I want to be able to travel more. You know what I'm saying? Which I will. If my mouth a little dirty, that's because of this, y'all. So I'm putting this ranch on right here. So, yeah, I got barbecue wings too, like on both sides, but this is like just sweet honey barbecue. But every day, I thank God for everything. So God gonna bless me, you feel me? So I can't complain about nothing. You know, I'm still here. I'm still making my videos. I'm still, you know, doing my thing. So I'm not gonna let nothing bring me down. But yeah, I'm sorry y'all, I'm not talking that much. I'm just hungry. And the ranch is so good. Oh my God, y'all. The ranch is busting. Look at this side. Straight busting. But I'm gonna get back with y'all in the next clip. Okay, gang, so I just finished, well, I ain't finished eating all of it, but I ate most of my stuff, you feel me? But yeah, man, life has been lifing for me, for real, y'all, you feel me? So I want y'all to continue to pray for me in the comments, you know what I'm saying? Just pray that like my situation will get better, like, you know, whatever like the situation is, it'll get better, you feel me? But yeah, I'm looking for an apartment space to really like move into, you feel me? I'm trying to get my own like apartment. Cause like at the end of the day, y'all, I'm still young. I'm like number 21, so I'm trying to like really get my own like things, you feel me? Like, you know, like everybody want their own stuff, you feel me? But you gotta grind, you gotta work hard for it, you feel me? So that's what I'm doing each and every day, bro, you feel me? I'm grinding, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, man. Like, I know my dreams and goals gonna come true because like I got it. And then, you know, I'm putting the work behind it. So yeah, man, I encourage all my followers and my supporters. You can do anything you put your mind to, for real, for real. Like, but you gotta have God first, you feel me? And yeah, man, continue to be prayed up, you know, stay blessed, you feel me? Treat people how you want to be treated, you know what I'm saying? No matter how hard the case may be, you feel me? Always be the bigger person, because it's gonna like help you in the long run, you feel me? So yeah, it's gonna help you in the long run. With that being said, I'll see you guys in the next video. Let's get it.